Hey guys, IrwinTech here. It's currently Wednesday. Well, when I'm recording this video will probably be up on Saturday. I don't know, maybe in a couple weeks when I'm actually at my house. So we're packing up the house. I'll be in a hotel tomorrow, and on Friday I will be flying out to our new house. So we're basically packing up right now. I mean, everything's packed. In the morning the mover's gonna come collect everything. We go to a hotel, sleep, wake up, and go on a plane. So I'm just gonna give you a tour of all the packing, and then I'm just gonna cut straight to the next day when I wake up and we go to the hotel. Then I film on the plane, and you guys get that content. So we're gonna look at the first room, the spare room, which is what I'm in right now. We have the boxes here. There's some stuff from this room. There's some more boxes right there, and this is basically it for this first room. I'm gonna be going all around the house. You might see some text pop up on the screen and no audio when I'm talking. It's because I have a lot of family members and I don't really want to be talking while they're doing stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright guys, so the first room is the downstairs room, the front room right here. So we have all the boxes and everything right here to gather up the front room, the pictures, the frames, the coffee table, the couch. We have all the more picture frames over there. Kind of get a full 360, and then the fireplace and everything. A couple more things we need to put in the pack, but now let's go ahead and look at upstairs. Alright guys, so we're in my room. This is basically where I film all my videos. Right there at that desk, you would see this angle right here. For OG viewers, when I used to use a webcam, it'd be like up here, you would see that. And if you recently watched, you would see it from about like this angle right here, and I would be talking in the intro and the outro. And yeah, that's basically what, there's usually a monitor there and a whole like desk setup, but it's not there now because we're moving everything, and there's a bunch of boxes. You can see over there, and right here. And it's basically packing up all the monitor and everything. So, and there's a couple more rooms, such as my parents' room and other stuff that I shouldn't show. So I'm gonna cut straight to the next day when I have to wake up really early to go to a hotel, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so it's early in the morning, so the movers just got here in a truck way over there past my fence, and it's really cool. I don't know, it's big. I don't even know why I said it's really cool. I haven't seen many things in a long time because I've been stuck in quarantine here. So yeah, I can just show you guys really quick. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright guys, so it's over there. They're packing all of our stuff in. And yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna cut to when we get breakfast and eat at the hotel, and and then we'll do the plane tomorrow morning. So see you guys then.
One eternity later.
As you can see guys, everything is empty. They've emptied everything out, the couch, everything. This is where I would play video games, Fortnite, kitchen. We still got our snacks over there. They cleaned out everything, the dining table over there. Cleaned out here and all up there. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and head to our hotel, and I'm gonna, start recording once we get there. We've got 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms, just for the night till when we get in the morning, when we're gonna go ahead and fly out, and then we're gonna move to our new house, and it's gonna be really amazing. So that's just the update. I'm recording this probably 3 hours later after, they've cleaned up everything. Just a quick update, and I'm just gonna start filming once we get to the hotel, so see you guys there. Alright guys, so we just got to the hotel after 8 hours of moving. This is my bed, sharing it with my brother. So yeah, we're getting set up and my stuff over there. I can show you the outside. I'm not gonna be talking because there's people. So yeah, let's go ahead and look right at it. Alright guys, this is just a quick cinematic thing of our hotel. We got the little outside there. We can do basically anything. It's short, but it's got good stuff. It's got a really nice alarm clock. Really comfy bed, not gonna lie. And yeah, we got an old TV, been watching some memes. It's been fun. But it's only here for one night, and the rest of this day, which is okay. Flying out on the airplane tomorrow. And yeah, that's basically all there is for an update. I'll probably update when I eat dinner or something like that. Alright guys, so it is the next day. We're going on the plane at 9:40. So we're just gonna leave the hotel in a few minutes. I slept here. It's not that comfy. Watched some YouTube up there like I showed last night. And yeah, we're gonna try to get breakfast, but I don't think we can. But we'll just see what happens. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get on the plane. I packed up all of my stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the airport.
They may not be filled in your pockets. If you succeed in existing criteria and responsibilities of the safety
Alright guys, so we just made it to the house after like 8 hours of day packing and flying. We're finally here. In just a moment now I'm going to show you a cool cinematic of the house. Not the outside, because you know that's creepy. So and yeah, I don't want creepers showing up to my door. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Alright guys, so I'm glad you liked that little cinematic of our house. Of course I didn't show like all of the upstairs and that because it's just a quick cinematic of the downstairs. Like I said, it's really dirty. We still have to unpack stuff, clean everything up, and yeah, I'll just skip to the next day when we're just, you know, unpacking some more stuff and just stuff like that. So yeah, see you guys then. Welcome back guys to another day. As you just saw there, that was a little quick through, you know, what our house looked like, and it's really messy. My room right now, you got boxes everywhere. I tried to make my bed because the movers didn't do it for me, and it ended up I'd just been sleeping here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We're at the house now, and yeah, we just skipped to when we're ready. We're gonna get breakfast and we're gonna unpack, and it's gonna be fun. So see you guys there. Alright guys, so it is the next night. I've set up my room right here. You can see my bed. I set that up. I set up the little setup over there for YouTube videos. Set up all this. Cleaned up all the boxes out of my room. Just have a couple more over there. And I have some in here in my closet right here. So I have some in there I have to work on later. And yeah, I don't think I'll be vlogging too much anymore. Maybe just... And yeah, I don't think I'll be vlogging too much anymore, just some maybe quick updates, and yeah, that's just an update. I got most of my room ready, as you guys saw, and yeah, I don't know what I'm going to update next, but it's probably going to be more cleaning up, packing, and maybe some more fun stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I don't want to be vlogging like me just unpacking little by little and boxes and stuff like that. That would be pretty boring. So yeah, I'm just going to end it here. We're basically done unpacking. The adventure is over. We're at the house. Most of my room is set up and everything like that. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below your favorite part of the video. Comment down below. Leave a like if you like more vlogs, and maybe I'll do more in the future. And yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Got the mojo deals, we been trippin' like the 80s. Pulling out the coupe at the lot.